Okay, in this challenge, we have to create a simple snowman. It says here in this challenge, you'll draw a snowman using ellipse command. Start off by making a circle for the bottom of the snowman with an ellipse command. This should be the first ellipse command in your program. We've suggested some good values for the ellipse command in the hint code. But you can change those numbers around as long as the bottom of your snowman is a circle near the bottom of the canvas and it's not too small. Okay, so we're going to start off by adding a comment to make it easier for us to know which ellipse draws what. So we're going to start with the bottom circle. To make a comment, you need to do two forward slashes, and then you could write whatever you want as long as it's in the same line. I'm going to press enter and create an type in an ellipse command, and then I'm going to put in an open bracket and write down the X position. I want it to be in the middle of the canvas, so I will write down 200 because every canvas is 400 pixels wide and 400 pixels long. So to put the circle in the middle, we'll write down 200. Now for the Y position, I don't want it to be touching the ground, just a bit higher, so I'll write 300. Then for the width and height, I'll put the same value because I want it to be a circle. After I have to separate all of those values using a comma, and at the end I close the bracket and I put a semicolon. Next I'm going to put in the middle circle. I will put in a comment again, middle circle, and then I'll draw another ellipse. Sorry about my typing. Put in an open bracket. I want it to be right above the bottom circle, so I'm going to put in the same X position, but put it a bit higher. So I'm going to do I think 300, and I will make the width and height smaller, so I guess I'll do 100 and 100. Close the bracket and put a semicolon. After that, I'm going to put the top circle. I'm going to comment it, right top circle. Putting a comment isn't necessary, it's only for you to be able to write the code. And when you're writing the code, you know which code of line does what on the program. So it's for you, you don't have to do it. We're going to put in the same X position a bit higher this time, so I think I'll do 100. I'll put in the width and height smaller than the previous one and semicolon. Now you see here it says the third ellipse for the head of your snowman looks too small when compared to the middle. Try making the third and fourth numbers in your ellipse larger. Well, you could just increase the size of your last top circle, and you can put the Y position down for it to be easier for you, like this. And we're done with the first challenge.